Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about robot classification and specification in the subject ORA 351 Foundation of Robotics. So first, after completing this presentation, you have to understand the concept of robot classification and the specification. First one is classification of robot. First, pneumatic robot. Pneumatic powered. It has no servo motor driving the axis but an air cylinder instead. The device takes air from room and compresses it by pressurizing the air. The compressor can power different movements and tasks. Next is SCARA robot. SCARA means Selective Compliant Robot Arm. These robots are essentially robotic arms with several joints, gives more flexibility to perform various tasks. A typical SCARA configuration includes a controller, a power supply, and end effector. SCARA robots stand out from other industrial robots due to their unique range of motion, particularly in the Cartesian plane, that is XY plane. It means it can move horizontally in any direction within its workspace. It can also move vertically, although with some limitation as the vertical axis remains fixed. Next is the gantry robot. It is generally mounted direct to shop floor and usually has a large work envelope. The main application is material handling and it is pneumatic powered. The cost of servo drivers for industrial robot is getting so competitive that today the air powered types are few and far behind. Next is Cartesian robot. These machines are usually mounted on a table and it is similar to that of gantry robot. It is a type of industrial robot that moves along the three main axes of Cartesian coordinate system, that is X, Y and Z. It is mainly used in assembly and handling application because it offers more precision and control in its each movement. And other application includes pick and place, assembly, material handling, 3D printing, etc. Next is 6-axis industrial robot arm. It most recognized industrial robot. It is available wide range of sizes and payload, and it needs small space mount to a table. And robot arm can found in all type of uses from assembly to welding to painting and material handling. Next is painting robot. The main purpose of this robot is to automate the painting process in manufacturing environment. These are equipped with various tools and technology that enable them to perform complex tasks. The integration of robot into painting process not only enhance productivity, it also significantly reduce the risk of many human errors. Next is welding robot. The main purpose is to automate the welding process. The processes like gas metal arc welding, while often automated, are not necessarily equivalent to robot welding, since a human operator sometimes prepare the material to weld it. And that's all about the classification of robot. Next is technical specification in robot. First one is accuracy. The accuracy measures such variances, that is the distance between the specified position that a robot is trying to achieve and the actual Cartesian position. Next is repeatability, the ability of a robot return repeatedly to a given position. It is the ability of a robot system or mechanism to repeat the same position or achieve the same position. Next is degree of freedom. Each joint or axis on the robot introduces a degree of freedom. Each DOF can slider, rotary or other type of actuators. Industrial robot typically have 5 or 6 degrees of freedom. Next is resolution. The smallest increment of motion can be detected or controlled by the robotic control system, and it is dependent on the distance between the tool center point and the joint axis. Next is envelope, a three-dimensional shape that defines the boundaries that the robotic manipulator can reach. Next is reach, the maximum horizontal distance the center of the robot base to the end of the wrist. Next is maximum speed. A robot simultaneously move with all joint in complementary direction at full speed with full extension. The maximum speed is the theoretical value which does not consider under loading condition. Next is payload. The maximum payload means the amount of weight carried by the robot manipulator at reduced speed while maintaining rated precision. The ratings are highly dependent on the size and shape of the payload due to variation in inertia. That's all about the classification of robots and the need of robot. Hope all of you understand. Thank you.